So Excel has a useful tool called the Analysis Toolpak, and you can use it for descriptive statistics. And first thing you have to do is to make sure it's turned on. So what you're going to do is go to this little arrow up here in the top and select More Commands. And then you're going to click Add-ins, and you're going to click on Manage Add-ins. And what you have to make sure is that this box next to Analysis Toolpak is checked, and then click OK. And so now when you click on the Data ribbon, then go over to Data Analysis. The Analysis Toolpak comes up, and there's all kinds of things that we'll take a look at later on. But what we're interested right now in is Descriptive Statistics. So if you select Descriptive Statistics and click OK, it's going to ask you for the input range. And so what I'm going to do is highlight all the cells and click OK. And we're going to do, and it's going to open up in a new worksheet. And one thing we have to check here is summary statistics. And so what's that's going to do is open the, create a new worksheet and put all the summary into it. So when I click OK, and we'll clean this up a bit. Okay, and so here's our chart. So our mean of our data, and this is all done automatically, so our mean of our data is $1,210. Standard error, which is a standard deviation divided by the square root of the number of, or the sample size, is 132. We're not going to cover that too much in this course. There's the median, 1185. There is no mode because there is no repeating value. Standard deviation is 740, and the variance is standard deviation squared, of course, which is going to be 547,000. Now kurtosis, it just tells how peaked the data is, how the higher the value, the more centralized, or so the higher the value for kurtosis, the more centralized the data values are. Skewness tells us whether the data is skewed to the left or to the right. In this one, it's slightly skewed to the left. There's our range from highest to lowest, min, max, the sum of all our data, so the sum of all the sales from that month, and also the count, so the number of, in this case, the number of days that were recorded for our sample. So, or the month of July. So try that, and then this is something that might come in handy later on when you do your culminating project.